Huwag kayong magtaas ng kamay, humawak kayo sa tao sa harapan niyo. Sabihin nila may kulto na naman tayo dito. Sabihin ng you. Good morning guys. It is now 5:35 and we are here at the UP Film Center para sa community move or community run ng BRC, Banana Run Club. Let's go! First off, thank you very much again for being here. Thank you for the support sa BRC. Giving us the opportunity to run again. Thank you very much for allowing us to meet you people and doing the thing we love the most. Alright guys, tara! Takbo! Tara! Takbo! Tara! Takbo! 1, 2, 3! BRC! Let's go! Alright!
Dito kayo sa tayo. Wag.
Lumapit mo.
Morning!
Let's go! As 1.4. What's up, brother? Good morning. Hey. What's up? We moved this morning. Galing. Good job, everyone. Shout out to the Pacers as well. Good job. Kahit budol yung iba sa inyo. Para kailangan ko yun. 1, 2, 3! BRC! Guys, see you March 15! Alright. Tapos na. Hindi ko ano dito.
It is now 8:45 AM. Tapos na tayo mag-workout. Tapos na rin mag-breakfast.
And it's a Saturday. Life's good. Marami pa tayo magagawa. Errands, chores, whatever. Thank you BRC, Banana Run Club, Tito Mikey, you're the best. Thank you Nike Philippines pala.
So we got a discount at Lazada, no? 20% off discount sa Nike Lazada.
Tapos, grabe kinuha kaming model. Joke lang, hindi naman model.
Kasi naka-Nike Vomero tayo today. Kadami naman ang sapatos namin eh.
Sakto, ano tawag dito? Inipon nila lahat ng naka-structure, naka-Pegasus at naka-Vomero for a quick photo shoot and video shoot. So promotional stuff lang ni Nike. So yun, thank you Nike, thank you BRC.